Meaning of light meter.
Light meter.
Light meter.
Light meter.
Light meter. A light meter is a device used in photography to measure the amount of light in a scene. It calculates the correct exposure settings for a camera by measuring the intensity of light and providing information on the appropriate aperture, shutter speed, and ISO settings required for a given lighting conditions. Light meters can be separate handheld devices or built into cameras. They are especially useful in situations where the lighting is difficult to gauge with the naked eye, such as in low-light environments or when photographing reflective surfaces.